preparation continues para sa ating national team. Gearing up, of course, for that December big one para sa Southeast Asian Games. At magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Coming from Lipa, and you're watching us on a Sunday. Ito po ang preparation ng ating national team. Magandang araw po sa amin po mga tagapanood. Dito po sa Solar Sports Network. This is Chino Trinidad together with someone who has had experience sa paglalaro po for the national team for Flag and Country. This is for Flag and Country. Ito po ang last day ng aming Phase 1 preparation ng RP team para sa Southeast Asian Games. Magandang araw sa iyo, Tunichi.
Magandang araw din, Kom.
Okay, huwag na ako tawagin commissioner. Sideline muna ako dito. Hindi po totoo ang chismis na wala na akong budget yung commissioner's office, kaya pati yung commissioner ay sideline. Magkaya na sabi namin sa inyo, this is for Flag and Country. Kaya kami ni Tunichi dito, we're glad and also honored to be part of this one. Tunichi, of course, you've been there before as part of the national team. You've won championships. Ano ba talaga yung nasa isipan ng isang player once he is even included to be part of this national pool?
Well, first and foremost, I think what's important here is that to be able to represent your country, in an international competition. Gaya nga na masabi ko, if there's one experience that I will never forget, it was at Youth Game 1992 here in 82, sorry, dito sa Araneta Coliseum. Nakakatayong balahibo yun. Nung kinantayo ako'y Pilipino, dala-dala mo yung flag eh.
Of course, nung pong mga laban na yun, ang hero doon was the late great Alfie Almario, was a close friend of my friend here na si Tunichi Ituri. Pag-usapan natin ang national team natin. This is probably a gathering of the best amateur players, and the PBL is so glad and honored also dahil bahagi ho tayo ng preparation na ito. And for part 2, dahil may part 1 na ito, Tunichi, last Sunday nakaharap na ng ating RP team itong visiting US team natin from the Bay Area, yung Bingo Bonanza team.
Yeah.
At dito masarap, Tunichi, because we will parade now some new faces.
That's very true. And these new faces will be Simon, Madrid, Cruz, Pubalde, Franco, and Luanzon, who happen to be playing right now in the PBL.
Okay, yun ang nakakatuwa dyan. Yun ang sinasabi natin, to be part of this one and to be able to teach the players that talagang iba yung pag naglalaro ka for Flag and Country. Nakikita po ninyo, Dennis Madrid, who is set to play his first official game in the PBL. Si Celino Cruz have won championship. He has won so many championships in the PBL. Verson Franco, of course, a veteran of ICTSI. Yan po ang mga players na ating tinututukan dito. They will see action today. Of course, si Luanzon, Christian Luanzon, who plays for Happy. And this is Dino Derek Obalde na nakikita naman natin playing for UST. Bahagi po siya ng lineup na ito na revolving, Tunichi.
Yes, as a matter of fact, Chino, I think there are 26 members of the team now, and that will be trimmed down to 12 in a month's time. Kaya napaka-importante ng larong ito para dito sa mga players, at makikita natin that all these players representing, playing for the Philippine team will really give everything and leave everything on the floor para maipakita nila that they deserve to be a part of this
Okay,
team.
shifting to the other side, let's talk about the visiting US team. Ito po, papasalamat namin sa napakaraming grupo. Of course, ang tumulong sa kanila dito, who made this trip possible is si Don Monteverde. He got sponsors, yung Charantia, he got yung Bingo Bonanza, who helped us defray costs sa traveling. Kaya salamat po. Pero dalawang players really stand out dito. One is the much talked about younger brother of Gary Payton, si Brado Payton. Ayan, nakikita nyo, number 10. We saw him in action. Not as flashy as the brother, but I think he can play. He has game.
Well, he has game. Definitely he has game. As a matter of fact, in their last game against Happy, he scored 19 points and had 10 assists. So that just goes to show how good a player Brandon Payton is.
Pero isa sa mga talagang tinututukan nito is a guy by the name of Will Levy. Yan po yung tough guy nila inside, the guy in black. Ayan, nakikita nyo si Brandon Payton. At mamaya makikita ninyo in action, the guy who really provides yung strength nila underneath. He's active, maganda sumupalpal. And no-nonsense player is this guy, Will Levy.
That's very true. As a matter of fact, this is one guy who you will see that will be under the basket trying. He loves to bang around. And that's one thing that's working for him right now. Aside from him being 6'8", see, he has basically been scoring well with 22 points against Happy and 12 rebounds. Halos double-double ito, ang average,
Kaya malakas po itong opportunity na ito. It's a great opportunity for the national team to gauge how far we can go, And also a great opportunity for us to see our visiting friends, from the Bay Area. Ito po ang laban na ito coming up on Solar Sports ay ang laban po ng ating Philippine team. Ito ang ating RP training pool against the visiting US Bingo Bonanza team.
It's the culmination of the 2003 PBL Goodwill Games. Please welcome the entire lineup of the USA Bingo Bonanza. Number 3, Alvin Stephenson. Number 5, Michael DeGracia. Number 6, Will Levy. Number 10, Brando Payton. Number 13, Gary DeGracia. Number 21, Terrence Cooper. Number 22, Carlos Morales. Number 8, Kalani Ferreira. Number 15, Matt Gore, head coach for the USA Bingo Bonanza, Bob Ante. And now the roster for the RP Cebuana Luillier. Number 4, Celino Cruz. Number 6, Al Magpayo. Number 7, Derek Cubalde. Number 13, Don Benjamin. Number 14, Christian Luanzon. Number 17, Mark Isip. Number 19, Willie Wilson. Number 22, Jamal Vizcarra. Number 24, Jay Capini. Number 26, Dennis Madrid. Number 27, Peter Simon. Number 29, Bernson Franco. And number 32, Alwin Espiritu. Head coach for RP Cebuana Luillier, Eric Del Rosario. Here are the starters for USA Bingo Bonanza. At guard number 10, Brando Payton. Also at guard number 13, Gary DeGracia. At center number 21, Terrence Cooper. At forward number 3, Alvin Stephenson. And at forward number 6, Will Levy. Head coach for the Bingo Bonanza, Bob Ante. And now starting for the RP Cebuana Luillier. At guard number 4, Celino Cruz. Also at guard number 7, Derek Cubalde. At center number 32, Alwin Espiritu. Forward number 29, Bernson Franco. And at forward number 19, Willie Wilson. Head coach for Cebuana Luillier, Eric Del Rosario. The officials for this ball game, Felix Villablanca and Zaldi Gadi.
All set mga kaibigan for this one. It's the second meeting of the Philippine team, of course sponsored and supported by our friends from Cebuana Luillier. Pakilala mo yung mga yan. Of course, we'd like to thank si John Henry for helping us out. That's a shot. Oh, we fondly call him as Alan Jacobs, pero Alan Trinidad po yan. No relation to your commissioner, but lover of basketball. Huh?
Yeah, definitely. He's been around.
Ito ang first possession now belongs to the US Bingo Bonanza team. They leave on the 4th. Ano? Napapanood po ninyo on a Sunday. We played this a day before on a Saturday dito sa Lipa, Batangas. Lipa, Batangas, of course, has become a permanent venue for the PBL Tunichi. Nakita naman natin last conference how the Batangueños, most especially the Libeños, have embraced the PBL. Lalo na, may team sila dito, yung LBC Batangas.
Well, right now, no, we're seeing that what would be important for the Philippine team will be how well they will shoot from outside because of that zone defense that Bingo Bonanza is applying this early. I think they just might have to shoot very well for them to come out victorious in this game.
Derek Cubalde nailed that shot, pero dito meron tayong kailangang i-check. No? Will Levy is a bully inside. No? At maganda rin test ito for guys like Bernson Franco, Alwin Espiritu to bang against an American who plays no-nonsense basketball. No? Sabi nga nila, mainit ang ulo, but that's the way they play it. No?
Yeah, that's very true. And it also gives us experience, especially the guys playing for the national team, to play bigger guys who they will have to play against internationally.
Yes, Tunichi, magandang kwento ito for yung ating mga taga-pakinig, no? Taga-panood dito po sa Solar Sports. That this one is parang an opportunity na parang masasabi natin hulog ng langit. No? I got a visit from Alan Trinidad together with Bob Ante, who thought they could bring in a team, no? Na pwedeng ilaro against a PBL selection. But as we were talking, no, and we were making the final configuration on whom to play, pumasok yung national team. And nung nakita natin that this was made mostly by our players from the PBL, sabi ko, why not talk to the BAP and have our national team play against these Americans? Kasi this will serve us better dahil hinahanda nga natin ang team natin.
Oo, at saka kagandahan dito, this is just a win-win situation for our national team.
Of course, gaining experience playing against much stronger, much bigger, and much faster guys. And we will be able to gauge, no? Maganda yung ginagawa ni Coach Eric Del Rosario because at this early is being able to gauge, no? Ito, nakikita natin ng movement. This is a better American team that we're seeing compared to the first time that they played last Sunday, no?
Napakatotoo niyan, Com. No? As a matter of fact, nakita naman natin, nung second game pa lang nila, kalaban ng Happy, nakita na natin na medyo nawala na yung mga cobwebs, no? At saka sa tingin ko, nakapag-acclimatize na sila, kaya mas maganda na nilaro, mas maganda na kinikilos, mas fluid na gumalaw.
And underneath, no, pinakikita nito mga Pilipino na hindi walang monopoly yung mga Americans in banging the boards and a foul as Alvin Stevenson wanted to take on yung entire Philippine team, no? Something that I think we will have to work on. Ito, changes. No? Yung pinalit na Dennis Madrid for Celino Cruz was more of Coach Tunich na napakabilis nito dahil wala pang isang minuto. Ano yun? Adjustment yun, obviously.
Oo, obviously it was an adjustment. No? Somehow Coach Eric Del Rosario feels that si Celino Cruz would be a better matchup for the guy he's playing right now.
And short on this one could have been fouled, no? Yan po yung si Michael De Gracia, is 23 years old from University of California, San Diego. Ang kanyang birthplace, Oakland, California. Itong mga guys ito are basically from the Bay Area, no?
That's true.
Mga doon sila naglalaro. Derek Obalde, this one, baby's shot. He has missed his last two shots after nailing the first.
And that's exactly what this team will need right now. At sa tingin ko, nagagawa nitong tune-up games na ito for the Philippine team is makikita nila kung ano yung deficiency nila right now. And it seems like, as we have noticed, baka mangailangan tayo ng konti pa mga shooters.
In fact, yan ang reason kung bakit pinanonood nating paigi ito. Right now on the floor, this is Celino Cruz. Kicking out to Hubalde. Alwin Espiritu is open. He loves to take that shot. Pero against the Americans, I think kailangan ng konting aggressiveness. So we're also looking at how our players will react pag binubunggu sila. Because in the SEA Games, no, we will be playing against much taller guys. So I've seen the guys from Thailand. I've seen the guys from Singapore. And malalaki na. Nag-evolve na rin ang basketball sa kanila, Coach Tunich.
Yeah. Ang isa nakikita ko rito, gaya nga nasabi mo kanina ko, gusto mo yung ginagawa ni Alwin Espiritu na sumushoot siya from the outside. But right now, he has to play inside because there are not many guys who could play that center slot right now.
Sa ngayon, si Alwin Espiritu is tasked to man the slot. Ang kanya pong kasama ay si Berson Franco. At itong ating Philippine team ay nalalamangan, actually nalalamangan na ng 1 point by the visiting US Bingo Bonanza team.
Kagandahan lang dito, nakikita natin yung US talagang ine-exploit talaga yung advantage nila underneath, no? I've seen them so many times go to Will Levy. Ayan na naman, ito na naman sila underneath because that time he played good defense.
Yes, ang masasabi natin doon, no, si Berson Franco made up for something that he lost on the other side. Anyway, first time out. Magbabalik po ang aksyon dito sa Solar Sports galing sa Lipa after these reminders. Some of the faces na nakita natin na naging suki na natin, mostly are students from the Batangas State University na just right across us, no? Kaya nakakatuwa dito dahil itong mga kabataan na to are being able to they're able to see yung the future of Philippine basketball. Ito naman yung mga friends natin from Viva, sila yung dito sa may Batangas unit sila, no? Just for the information of everyone who's watching us over Solar Sports, yung San Miguel Beer through its sister company na Coca-Cola has made its return to the PBL through Viva Mineral Water, and excellent timing, no? Sa nagto 20 years tayo, Coach Tunich.
Yes, that is very true. As a matter of fact, it just goes to show that you've done a good job at trying to nurture this league.
Salamat. Hindi, nataon lang na ako yung napunta dito sa posisyon ito as the PBL celebrates its 20th year. Pero yung ating trabaho doesn't end here, no? Parang kumbaga nag-uumpisa pa lang tayo dito. Si Lino Cruz to Alwin Espiritu again taking a shot okay naman, no, to try and
Yeah.
take the shot from the perimeter. No?
Oh, that's true. But then again, he's playing the center position right now. So I expect to see him to bang around more, and I expect to see him to be more aggressive and try to go hard on that shot of his.
Kailangan kasi matesting natin how these players, no, will react when playing against much taller guys. So ito yung ating field goal shooting, and marami tatrabuhin si Coach Dong at saka si Coach Arik kung ganito ang shooting natin.
Marami-rami. Pero kagandahan dyan, mas marami tayong naipukol, no, na nai-attempt na tira than the US team.
As we
Kaya
see,
nga lang,
Hobalde, yes,
mas
sorry Coach.
konti na i-shoot natin.
Yun lang, no? This is a third miss by Derek Hobalde after making his first three-point shot.
But it seems like he has the
Oh, okay lang, oh.
he has a go signal from Coach Arik Del Rosario to take those shots. Kasi hanggang ngayon, di po siya nilalabas after missing 3 shots from outside.
Again, they give it strong. Ito napakalakas, almost unstoppable si Will Levy. Itong mga Americans, they only have revenge on their minds. No? Alam nilang natalo sila doon ng mga mas bata, mga Pinoy na binugbog sila nung last Sunday.
Well, yan naman ang makikita natin. Yan ang 1-2 punch nitong Bingo Bonanza team from the USA. Yang si Brandon Payton and Will Levy. Yan two-man game na yan has worked wonders for them so far.
Itong US Bingo Bonanza team na to would leave for the US, no, on the 4th of March. No, bali nilalaro ho natin ito sa March 1 ang date. Ipinanonood po ninyo ng March 2, and on the 4th they go back to the US. And at this point we'd like to thank them, no, for being such gracious actually playmates ang tawag natin dito, as the RPT beats them for the second time. Tapos nakalaro din ito ng Happy, nakalaro din ito ng Blue, no, sa Lucena, and would like to thank them, no, for giving us experience, no, and playing against a much taller, much stronger, and much faster guys like them.
And as I said, this series has not only benefited the national team, but the PBL as well, and basketball as a whole.
Yan naman ang trabaho natin dito, na mabigyan ng opportunity lahat, lalo doon sa nasa countryside, to be able to watch the brand of basketball that these guys can play. And Brandon Payton just nailed his 6th point of the ball game. That was from 3-point area.
Alam mo, ito makikita mo, for us to make, that's why it's very important for us to make those shots dahil yung zone defense na ipinapakita ng US ngayon, considering na napakalaki nila and they cover a lot of area, kaya napaka-importante na kailangan sumot tayo ng sumot sa labas. And we just kept on shooting so far, kaya lang hindi pa lang pumapasok.
Yun talaga, Coach Dunitz, is something that we all have to work on. You know? We have actually forgotten the art of shooting. And one thing that we want our players and everyone in the country regain, ano, the art of shooting. Yan ang nawawala. We have this next timeout and we'll be back dito po sa Solar Sports Network. Ang man mounted, no, is all of 6'9", Will Levy. Ito yung one of two De Gracias playing. Ito si ito yung isa, dalawa ito nakakita si
Oo,
Mike.
yung isa mas matangkad, ano? Ito
si
yung
Mike.
mas maliit sa kanila. He usually starts the game for them.
Ang wala dito, yung isang naglalaro sa Blue before na si Machika, si Ray Machika, who is not here with the visiting US team. And here, si Franco has had his 2 shots blocked in this ball game. So, yan, another gauge, no? How will our players react? No? Kasi hindi sila sanay na nasusupalpal ng ganito, eh. Oh?
Oo, pero mo, nasa labas ka na, natusupalpal ka pa. Ibang usapan to.
And that was number 21. Super din pala manupalpal yun.
Oo. And one thing that we have to do here right now, the Philippine team that is to keep on moving, keep on looking for those open spots in that zone for us to be able to capitalize on them and take good shots at the basket.
De Gracia commits a traveling infraction. Ito, ipapasok ang isang player that I have grown to admire dito sa akin, dangerous commissioner. Itong pinapasok nila is Alvin Magpayo, no? Si Al Magpayo ang tawag natin dito. Hard-nosed player, no? Walang pakialam yan, ready to mix it up underneath, and really plays no-nonsense basketball, no? Yan ang mga klase ng players that you really take pride in watching them grow in the PBL.
At saka ito yung mga makikita mo, magpapakamatay para sa country. Kumbaga, napaka-importante para sa kanya.
Excellent move.
Yes.
Hindi lang naipasok, but you could see, no, itong batang ito really would not just give up on the ball or on a possession.
That's true, Cobb. And as a matter of fact, that PBL has helped this kid so much in his stint here with us.
Kick out, And that one, si Stevenson makes this shot from the outside. And Stevenson has 6 points all. 3-point shots ito, Tunichi. Kaya napakalaking bagay. Tinuturo sa atin ng mga Amerika, na yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina, that we really have to work on our shooting from the outside, which is really non-existent in this ball game so far.
Well, in case in point, no, yung team ng Korea, lahat nakaka-shoot ko. Ikaw napanood mo yon nung A-shot. Nakita mo kung gaano ka-importante ang shooting from the outside.
Yung shooting from the outside, mas lethal pa yan. No? Kasi ang mahirap lang dito, Coach Tunich, I think we all grew in an era na masyado ang premium on layups, on slam dunks, no? On spectacular plays. But you can actually do that by shooting from the outside. Mamaya, pag-uusapan po natin as Bingo Bonanza enjoys a 7-point lead in the first quarter. Okay, kanina before we headed to that timeout, pinag-uusapan natin yung era where we all grew up, no? Of course, si Tunichi, ito, pinag-uusapan kanina. Well, he was part of the PABL, no? Yun yung parang tinatawag natin, ito yung nagsimula ng what the PBL is all about right now, no? Nung PABL years nila, at least doon na-expose sila doon sa klase ng ball movement. Ang pinasikat niya yata yung motion, no?
Yes, yung motion. Pero yung motion na yon, naging maganda yon dahil everybody played a role in the team. Now, we were lucky enough to have 2 great players in our team at that time. And these were Chip
Kaidik.
Engeland and, of course, Alan Kaidik, who is coaching Ginebra now. So, sina Alan and Chip were very instrumental in most of our wins internationally. Dahil nga, since allowed ang zona internationally, napaka-importante na makashoot ka sa labas. Lalo-lalo na kung makakalaban mo 6'10", 6'11", 7-footers. Kaya napaka-importante yung sumushoot ka sa labas.
Exactly, it's a weapon. And ayan, nakita mo si Magpayo. Nailing his first 2 points of the ball game. Itong batang ito, hindi ko alam kung saan kumukuha ng energy ito. He just played for LBC Batangas prior to this one. Nakita nyo siguro earlier yung game na yon, yung game na nag-overtime, pero hindi na nag-overtime dahil this is a preseason exhibition match, so wala hong mga overtime pagka gano'n. No? We allow our players to go hard, pero not to overextend them dahil this is just part of our preparation for the coming big one, no? The 20th celebration, the 20th year of the PBL.
And another thing that we really have to work on, since mas matangkad ang kalaban natin ngayon, we really have to box out well. See, we have to make sure that we screen off our men and give them only 1 chance at the basket every possession.
Ito, ang maganda lang dito, Coach Denich, no? What I'm seeing, as Magpayo na is 4th point, merong ball movement.
Oo.
Merong
Yun
ball movement.
And, well, it's not only ball movement that is important. Yung movement without the ball ng tao, isa pa yung napaka-importante because you have to look for those open spots and make sure that you get easy shots at the basket.
Si Gary De Gracia was in the ball game. Ito yung isang De Gracia, yung mas matangkad.
Oo.
Number 5, no? Nandito na sa loob ng court ngayon. He's an all-conference team captain pa ito. Naging Rookie of the Year noong 1997 playing for Western Colorado State. Kung di ako nagkakamali, ang Western Colorado State is a Division 2 NCAA team, no?
Mhm. If I am not mistaken also, he may be the younger De Gracia playing.
Siya yung mas bata.
Oo. I like the way Al Magpayo has been playing this game. Kasi si Al Magpayo is the type of a player who can mix it up under but also can take the shots from outside.
Yeah po, si Al Magpayo and the rest of the RP team, well, they have their work cut out for them as they're being, in fact, being dominated by the Big Bonanza team in the first quarter, 21-17. We will be back. Up next, ito po ang ating second quarter and Dennis Madrid is in the ball game. This is the first time that he is seeing action, ano? Para dito sa ating RP training pool na ito. He joins Al Magpayo, Christian Luanson, at si Mark Isip para dito sa ating RP team. Jay Labinid is also part of this unit for the second quarter.
Well, I got some numbers here right now with me for the first quarter. US is shooting 57%. Mataas yan. RP is only shooting 32%. But one thing good about it is that the US team is only up by 3 despite the fact that we are shooting a measly 32%. So, we're still in the game. At eto nakita natin, 3-point field goals. 4 out of 6 ang Bingo Bonanza. That just that's the type of a shooting, that's the type of shooting that we would need in this game.
Wala pa, no? Non-existent pa almost ang ating, except for a shot by si Derek Obalde kanina to open the game. We have not been able, no, to get any success from the outside. Last touch dito kay Will Levy. At saka, don't be disappointed with this national team, no? As we were saying kanina, this is a work in progress, no?
Yeah.
And before anything else, I would like to thank the entire PBL board, no, who have thrown their full support, no, the owners, no, the coaches, and everyone. I think ang kasarapan dito, Coach Tonichi, is everyone is on the same level. Nagkakaintindihan kami. Kumbaga, same wavelength tayo. Naiintindihan natin that we will have to do our share if we want the country regain yung ating position before. This is gone.
It is gone. Ang kagandahan dito, Kom, no? It's a collective effort from all all departments of basically of the PBL. Management is helping out, you know, the coaches are helping out, the players are trying to help each other out. So, napakaganda nito. Talagang basta for the national cause, nandyan tayo sa PBL. Para
Ang nakakatawa din, Tunichi, no, as I was telling yung mga kaibigan natin sa PAC, no, ako, talaga bibigyan ko ng credit dito is si Christian Tan, no. He has really gone out of his way, no, and kumbaga, sabi nga nila dati, parang may Cold War daw yung PBL at saka yung BAP. Well, we don't think so, no, parang miscommunication lang yan, but gaya ng sinabi mo, if it is for national cause, no, if it's for flag and country, then wala na eh, hindi ka na magdadalawang isip eh. Without batting an eyelash, we will have to do our part. Brandon Payton, really, dito sa game na ito, Tunichi, no, talagang nakikita mo yung aggressiveness of a Payton. I think he has gotten used to the kind of climate na nandito sa Pilipinas.
Oo. At saka kagandahan dito, he is the one orchestrating the plays for them. He basically is an integral part of the offense of the USA.
Sabi nga natin, he might not be as great as his brother, si Gary Payton, but boy, can he get the job done? Ano? Nagagawa niya yung trabaho niya eh.
Oo, totoo yan.
They swing the ball, and in the ball game is Jun Simon. He might be able to provide food some points as Al Magbayo nails his 6th point off the bench yan. Kalalaro lang ho sa NBC kanina, binabad pa ni Coach Nash yan.
Ang kagandahan dito, no, kanina nabanggit mo, ito si Peter Jun Simon. If there is one guy who can shoot the lights out, this is one guy who could help out in the Philippine team's cause.
Ito, importante rin, Coach Tunichi, no, that our other players are able to protect the boards. No? Nakukuha na tayo ng mga second chance, third opportunities dito sa game na ito. Also, talagang makikita mo yung work in progress dito as Mark Isip misses this one. Another guy who just played for Viva Mineral Water kanina.
And another guy who played well.
And pull-up jumper. Payton nails another 3-point shot. His 11th point of the ball game on his third nailed 3 points.
At saka yung 11 points na yun, hindi mo naramdaman. Hindi biglang-bigla, eto, 11 points na siya. You know, he is a silent worker. And those are the type of players that are dangerous. That's exactly what we have to do against a team like this. Everybody has to be a threat on offense. And everybody should be able to shoot from the perimeter.
Alam natin kung ano trabaho, no? Really, our work cut out for us. And marami pang lined up ito ng mga opportunities, no? And that is early, no? Tunichi, I'd like to announce to everyone, lalo na yung mga loyal supporters natin dito sa Solar Sports, no? Na yung pong national team, itong RP training team natin, or the Philippine Cebuana Luwilier team, is set to participate in the first conference, no? Not as a guest team, actually, pero lahat ho ng games nila will reflect on a regular team. So, yung ating mga PBL teams cannot take itong ating RP team lightly because it will reflect on their win-loss record.
Alam mo, maganda yan ginawa mong yan, no? Kom. Matter of fact, aside from the fact na makakatulong tayo sa national team dahil mabibigyan sila ng more tune-up games, ang nagagawa pa nito is matutulungan din tayo sa PBL para maiakyat yung level of competition natin.
Alam mo, hindi ka makakaroon ng opportunity to gather, no? This kind of talent in one ball game. And here it is right now, no? Hindi ka mo talagang perennial all-star ito pinanonood mo. Huwag natin sabihin all-stars, no? But sabihin natin, ito yung all Pinoy team that you can be proud of. You have Dennis Madrid, you have Mark Isip, you have Peter Jun Simon, you have Al Magpayo, you have Christian Wanson, and the rest of this 26-man team that we're taking care of. Ito, inside pass, really, ito si Terence Super. Ito, talaga pa paano maaabutin nyo. You need to be super to be able to stop that shot. It's a lead that has ballooned to 14 para sa Bingo Bonanza dito sa second quarter. Mga kababayan, no, we're asking for your support. I think everyone has already chipped in. You're seeing Dennis Madrid. Napakabait na bata ito. Kasama namin to sa church namin dyan sa Makati. No? At nakakatuwa to actually see him play. And quite a story, no? As we go along dito. Hindi naman ito first and last time that you'll be seeing our national team in action. Actually, RP training pool, no, might be a better term, no? Because, again, 26 silang lahat. Tapos tatrabahuin pa natin. Mapapansin nyo, yung mga players tayo, napakarami niya. Maraming configuration tayo pwedeng gawin dyan. But really, these guys will have to take care of the ball because they have turned the ball over a couple of times. And now the lead has ballooned to 17 points, Coach Tunichi.
Yes, and if there is one thing that I have noticed, Coach, no, I think we will, I think we will have to improve the defense that we have underneath the basket. Ang nangyayari ngayon, pag nakuha ni Will Levy ang bola sa ilalim, medyo nahihirapan tayo hintuin.
Tumatabi tayo eh.
Oo, ang kailangan natin gawin dyan, kailangan hindi lang siguro iisa dapat ang umarap dyan. Kailangan kuyugin natin. Pagtulong-tulungan natin, lalo-lalo na pag yung bola nandun na ganun nakalalim.
Let's see how Coach Arik Del Rosario, Coach Dong Berheri will take care of this one. No? They will have to plug the holes. Again, ito, kitang-kita mo sa ilalim. Ano yun? Anong height ni Dennis Madrid?
He must be about
5'9"?
5'9".
Ano yung sinupalpal niya? 6'9" ba yun?
6'10 pa yan.
6'10 pa, oh.
6'10.
Anong height na ulit? Di ba? Nakakakita ka ng some flashes of brilliance. No? But, again, sabi nga natin, no, we will have to be patient with this team. No? This is a work in progress. No? Not trying to make excuses. Pero, nagsisimula pa lang tayo ang preparation natin. We're just starting yung actually laying the foundation.
Oo, ito kagandahan dito ngayon ay we saw again Dennis Madrid get into the fray a while ago at muntik pa niya na agaw. Ang kagandahan ni Dennis Madrid, Kong.
Ito, tignan mo
Ito,
to.
makikita natin, no?
6'10 yan, 6'10. Ano si Dennis
6'10
Madrid?
yan. Ito, sa blind side ng galing.
Ito,
Huling-huli.
matatla, no? Tiniming niya sa ilalim. Yan ang sinasabi natin sa inyo. You don't have to be tall. You don't have to be a strong leaper to be able to block a shot. Timing, hindi naman yun kumbaga hindi naman sinupalpal yun ni Dennis Madrid sa peak nung bola, no? But binlock na yun, papaangat pa lang. So great timing also plays a major role.
And if there's one guy who is a smart player and who has great basketball sense, it is Dennis Madrid. He plays the point guard position and you have told me before that he reminds you of
Nung kaibigan
Hector
natin.
Calma.
Oh, nung original na idol ko.
Oo.
Si Hector. Of course, one of the greatest guards, no? I think hands down sa listahan ko, he has to stand out as the best guard ever to play basketball, no? Internationally, locally. Excellent shot from the outside. Silino Cruz. Ito, another weapon if he makes it to the team dahil he can bring down the ball, and maganda rin ang basketball sense niya, and he can shoot from the outside. There is that ball movement, touch pass, ending with this shot, and a chance for a 4-point play, Coach Tunichi, for Silino Cruz.
And that's exactly what the Philippine team has to do right now. It has to make sure that the ball is moving fast enough to make the defense move from one side to the other. Because if you let that defense just stand there, then you will only have one option on your offense, and that will be for you to make your shots from the outside all the time.
Eto, nakita mo, one shot at the time lang. Yan ang kailangan natin. We gave up too many second chance points. As this shot is led by Villamin, Don Villamin, who's in the ball game, and that lead has been cut down to 13 from a high of 18. So, yung mga bata natin, buhay na buhay pa. We'll take this break. From a high of 18, the lead is just down to 13 as you're taking a look at Al Magpayo, who plays for St. Benil, no?
Oo.
Tapos, yung coach yata doon, kilala ko rin, no? May bago daw coach doon, saka na namin chichismis sa inyo. Baka magkagulo pa eh. Hindi. Kung sino man yung coach, we wish him all the luck, no? Sa kanya pong pagbabalik sa coaching. Ito, the ball is being moved around and Silino Cruz will foul Brandon Payton.
Now, for Selena Cruz, his first penalty. Gary DiGracia for Kalani.
40-23 ang ating score.
But Brandon Payton on the line right now.
2 shots para kay Payton who has made a total of 12 points.
Well, ang nangyari dito, Com, is nangyari nga dito kaya nandito si Brandon Payton ngayon sa line is because when he got the ball, Celino Cruz was sticking too close to him, and in the process, nung nag-penetrate, well, he got the knee from Celino Cruz. Hindi pwede, as much as possible, when your man has the ball, medyo kailangan bigyan mo ng konting distansya nang pag mag-penetrate, hindi ka mapapaul.
Almost.
Here is Celino Cruz going strong in the basket, but he gets blocked this time. Masyado tayo nag-aapura at this point. There is no cause for us to be rushing things because haste, as we say, makes waves.
Well, yan ang nangyayari ngayon.
Oh, eto, makikita natin, although bola pa rin natin, ang hindi maganda nangyayari sa atin, nag-aapura tayo. Sana naman, we have to move the ball around, look for the best possible shot that we could, and definitely not allow that type of turnovers. Al Magpayo with a big rebound that time. Big defensive rebound. If there's one guy who really leaves his heart out on the floor, it is this guy, Al Magpayo.
Okay, going back into the ball game is
Burns on Franco.
Franco. ...41-27 ang score natin. No? Sorry at nalunok ko lang yung dila ko. Just kidding. We resume play dito po sa second quarter with 3 and 15 remaining as you take a look at Coach Arik Del Rosario dito po, and really is work cut out for him dito sa game na to at least. No? Let's first concentrate on this one because one thing that I'd like to see in our players is yung, kumbaga ako kasi kung ako magko-coach, I would first look at the character of a player. No?
Yes.
How would I react pag binabaon ako ng ganito? As we take a look at another 3-point shot by Payton who has 15 big points in this first half.
Alam mo, partner, napakahirap dito, no? We really have our work cut out for us dahil ang binabantayan natin, kanina, pinapatay tayo ng US team dito sa ilalim. Ang binabantayan, so everybody's sagging now to the middle. But then again, dahil sa ginawa natin na yon, the players of, the big players of the US team are wisely kicking the ball out to Brandon Payton. And somehow, Brandon Payton has delivered most of the time that he made those baskets. Kaya napakahirap ngayon eh. Ano gagawin mo? Luluwagan mo na naman. Ito, ibabagsak na naman na ibabagsak sa ilalim. Pag dito ka na naman sa ilalim, ilalabas naman nila, makakashoot yung mga guard nila. Kaya napakahirap, napakagandang experience ito para sa national team.
Si Ino Cruz just tagged nitong si Mark DiGracia on the nose. Pero referees let it go, no?
Yeah, referees let it go.
Bahagi talaga yan eh.
Oh, and one thing good about this kid, ito si DiGracia, he did not mind. He had to do his job. He sprinted back on defense. And that's exactly the type of character that we will need.
Yan. Dapat yun ang karakter na ipapakita ng ating mga players, no? And from the outside, despite coming off a minor surgery to repair, no, a loose abdominal muscle, itong si Peter Jules Simon has really showed us that he might be, no, what just the doctor ordered for our national team.
That is very true. He is one guy who could kill you from either inside or outside. Eto, if there's one guy who has all the talent, who has all the makings of a great basketball player, it is Peter Jules Simon.
Pero yung half of that shot, no, credit that to Bernson Franco, who made the quick decision to kick the ball out for a much open pero lower percentage, no, for that shot. But gusto natin bigyan ng credit si Bernson Franco for seeing, no, an open, no, yung for recognizing an open Peter Jun Simon.
And I think more than that, we should credit him for the type of hustle that he provided to make that shot possible.
Yun nga sinasabi natin, Coach Tris, dito eh. This team really is showing us flashes of brilliance, no? So kina Coach Dong lang yan, doon sa mga players nating iba, doon sa buong kay Coach Arik Del Rosario. Kasi si Coach Dong Vergeri dito, ang laki ng role na piniplay niya, no? In fact, ito yung mga assistant coaches na really, ay tawag natin dito, the working assistant coaches.
Oo, totoo yan. At kaya nga na ito. Well, Coach Arik Del Rosario has the luxury of having very good assistant coaches in Dong Verheire, and hindi pa natin nakikita si David Samar, no, who's playing right now. This is
Sa National Student Championships, no?
Yes.
And this one, si Alwin Espiritu, losing the ball. At madulas yung bola. And si Lino Cruz, this is a 4-on-1. Gives it to Villamin. Yun ang sinasabi natin, Coach Tunich, no? If that guy just owned a confidence or had confidence in his shot, he could have just pulled up and took a short jumper.
True. And or if not, Villamin should have
Passed the
taken it strong
Yes.
to the basket, whether it be blocked or not. Dapat at least yon may chance na makama-foul siya.
At least yung mga players natin, no, will get an opportunity to break this tape, no? Break this down, yung ating coaching staff. Kaya ang daming ang mga benefits tayo dito. As you take a look at Berson Franco, really, hindi magpapatalo sa ganyan. No? He might be short on height, but not short on heart.
That's very true. Yan ang kagandahan dito kay Bernson Franco and Al Magpayo. At nakita na natin, there were already sparks, no, between Will Levy and
First game
Al
pa lang.
Magpayo nung first
First
game.
game pa lang.
Eh,
Ay,
wala.
pati yan si Berson Franco kasama. Dahil sabi ko sa kanila, binibiro ko, oh, sige, hindi ko na kayo papatawag sa opisina. Iba naman laro ito eh.
Oo.
Pag flag and country, magbubulag-bulagan na lang yung commissioner. Just kidding. No? Of course, we remind our players no, to play tough, no? And to play really, sabihin natin play rough, no? But do not play dirty. Yan lang naman
Yes,
ang sinasabi natin eh.
May diferensya yun eh, no? Ang ganda pasa.
Excellent. Yes.
That's the type
Excellent
of
goal.
ball movement that we will need, to be victorious in this game.
And again, ladies and gentlemen, you're seeing, no, yung ating pong work in progress. This is the RP training pool. You're seeing dito as a steal by Silino Cruz, and he will complete this one. Totally humiliating itong si Brandon Payton. He thought na he had the open lane, but ito si Silino Cruz, wise that he is, just swipe the ball, tapos pumunta sa kabilang side, and completed a steal, and now has a chance to make 2 free throw shots.
Well, I would not be surprised if, well, let's watch this first before I say my piece. Dahil napakaganda po nitong sequence na ito.
Ako sa tagal ko nag-aral ng basketball, yung pag-agaw ng ganyan, talagang it's an art form eh, no? Yung susundutin mo dito sa kanang side mo, and then to sprint, going to the other side, to the left side, to use actually the guy na kinuha naman ng bola as a protection. Ang galing eh.
Ang isang magaling dyan, partner, si Dindo Pumares.
Ay, nako, hari yan, hari.
set up ka talaga niyan.
Hari yan, hari.
Oo. And that's a type of a foul that we should give all the time. Dahil yan, ilalagay natin siya doon sa line and let him earn his points from the line. Hindi yung half-hearted yung foul, makakashoot na, pagkatapos meron pa siyang bonus free throw.
Ang tawag ng mga kotsa, ipadamo mo yung foul.
Oo.
Ano?
Iparamdam.
Kailangan naaalala eh. Kung baga sa ano, kailangan ma-autographan mo muna man lang yung player para next time that he goes to the basket, he would think twice na hindi siya magkakaroon ng easy shot at the basket, that he will get tagged and get banged inside.
Well, Will Levy on his way again. He already has 11 points and 4 rebounds. Gaya na pinakita natin kanina. And he averages double-double in both the rebounding department and the point.
2-possession ball game no, dito sa ating first half. As Don Villamin kicks out to Peter Jude Simon.
Well, that's one thing that we should not do very much, dribbling the ball.
Dribbling.
You should rather pass the ball because that's a quicker way of trying to spot the open man.
Sa problema ni Coach Arik Del Rosario and the entire coaching staff ay sama ng transition defense natin.
Oo, masama ang
We
transition
don't sprint
defense natin.
down on defense as this ends the first 2 quarters. It's a 51-33 lead para sa visiting US Bingo Bonanza team. Kami ni Coach Donici will be back after a short break. (51-33) sa ating halftime break, and just quickly no, to go through this one, ang ating numbers dito po sa ating natapos na first half. No? Ito, may kasakitan sa mata yung side natin dito. Yo.
Ito masama, no? At turnovers, halos pareho lang tayo. That did not, points of turnovers, 13-9 4 points lang ang diferensya niyan. Pero bakit lamang pa rin sila na napakalaki ng 18 points? Masasabi natin, eto lang ang talagang glaring dyan. Yung 32% na shooting. Hindi tayo makashoot ng mabuti dahil sa magandang depensa pinapakita ng USA, kaya tayo down by 18 points at this point.
Just like to take note, no, na talagang itong fast break natin may kasamaan ng bahagya. Lalo hindi fast break natin, but our defense down sa transition talagang napakasama. So we take a look at the scoring leaders. Yung Peyton, grabe yan, no? Tingnan mo yung double figures nila, tatlo na agad yan. And Peyton, ito at saka si Levy mostly on yung kanilang babagsak yung bola, kick out, and vice versa.
Or if not, two-man game. Yung two-man game na ginagawa nila, well, true enough. It's been a Peyton and Levy show all throughout.
Maganda ito, Coach Trici, because we're able to expose some of the glaring weaknesses that the team has right now. Inuulit po namin, this is a work in progress. Nagsisimula lang po ang ating laying the groundwork or the foundation for the national team. And we'd like to thank a lot of people na dito. Unang-una, we'd like to thank ito pong si Mr. William Tieng, no, of Solar Sports, no, yung mga kaibigan natin for being such a gracious host for the games of the PBL. No. Last conference, nilapitan namin sila through yung kanilang mga kaibigan na sila Mr. Monet Silerio, no, yung mga barkada natin, sila Eric Tam. And talagang tinulungan nila, no, si Mr. Peter Chanlo, who was with us during the All-Star Games. So tinulungan nila tayo. And that Solar Sports Network really, na salamat po, and we hope na ipatuloy po ninyo. You will be an integral part as the PBL, no, goes 20 years and beyond. Sa inyo pong lahat, sa Solar Sports Network, pamula sa amin, sa Philippine Basketball League, maraming salamat po.
I just would want to see what adjustments the Philippine team would have in this second half. Because if there's one thing that they have to do right now, they have to play more aggressive, and they have to make sure that they start eating up on that lead of the USA team.
Ito, tama yung tawag ng referees natin. No? In this game, they're using a two-man rotation. Ano? Usually kasi ginagamit natin 3-man na. But in the last Asian Games, no, 2-man officiating yung ginagamit. Tayo kasi sa PBL, we're used to the 3-man officiating. But I think itong susunod natin, magiging 3-man lineup na rin, ano, o crew, yung tatakbo sa mga international competition. Jamal Vizcara, ito magandang bunot ito, no? Para kay Coach Arik Del Rosario. I think he's set to play for Dong Berheri sa team ni Senador Janos Menya.
Well, ito pinakita nga niya, no?
Sorry, sa Welcome ito maglalaro. Nakita ni Coach Leo Austria.
Well, he just made his presence felt with that outside shot of his.
Ayun, katulad doon, si Magpayo forced to take a shot from the outside because hindi niya nakita yung rotation. Pero ito, sabi nga natin, no, our players, they don't have to be conscious about the points, no, making the shot. Ang importante is to get into the group, no, play defense. Yun ang sinasabi natin. Ako, marami na ako natutunan sa inyo mga coaches, no, lalong-lalo dito sa preparation natin for the Southeast Asian Games.
And I think that shot of Al Magpayo was in a way uncalled for kasi napakaaga eh. Nakita ko si Coach Dong na para ba sinasabi kay Al Magpayo, masyado mo maaga. We should have looked for a better alternative. We should have looked for a better shot. Hindi na niya binigyan ng pagkakataon na makahanap pa ng mas magandang tira.
Yan ang minsan ng nagiging tendency natin. Most of the players here, actually pag titignan mo, talagang parang sabi nga nila, no, I don't like to call them all-stars yet because they have yet to prove that they're all-stars. But this is a gathering of the best amateur players, no, the best collegiate players there is, no, I mean, around the country. Siguro, except for a few na nasa Cebu and maybe somewhere in Davao, ito na talaga yung ating pagpipilian eh.
That is right. Go.
Problema dito, Coach Tudits, pagsanay ka na maglaro na ikaw yung cornerstone ng team mo, pagpunta mo rito, kailangan i-give up mo yung mentality mo as go-to guy ka.
At saka, ang mahirap dito ngayon, since etong mga players natin sa national team, ngayon lang nagkakakilala yan, ngayon lang naglalaro na magkakasama yan, medyo isa rin yan sa mga factors bakit hindi tayo makausat-usat dito sa larong ito.
In a way, nagkakahiyaan, ano, and minsan, pag nahihiya na gano'n, yung mga players will take it upon themselves, lalo na kung titingin sila sa scoreboard at makikita nila na nababaon sila dito sa game na ito. Yan ang shot natin, si Coach Arik Del Rosario, and ito talagang matagal niya ng alay yan. Parang anak niya na halos yan, si Coach Dong.
That's very true. At saka, both guys really work well together.
Ganun yan eh, no? Pag kailangan, pagka coach to assistant coach, talagang ang importante dyan yung chemistry ninyo.
Oo,
Like in this case, parang tatay at anak ito eh. Ferreira missing. Ito si Ferreira, naglaro ito sa NBA, no? Sa San Juan Knights ng
Yeah.
ating kaibigan na si Sandy Javier at saka ni Mayor Jigoy Estrada.
And it's a good thing he's still here with us. Hindi
Oh.
pa umuwi, ano? At saka nagpapakasakali ito si Kalani na makapaglaro pa ulit either sa PBL or any other league that would need his services.
Gusto natin yung hustle na pinapakita niya dito, no? He's, again, a no-nonsense player. Okay, mahilig kumuha ng bola. He can shoot the ball, no?
He can bring down the ball because he can play the point guard position.
Ayun, katulad doon, tira si Cirino Cruz from the outside. Okay lang yun because at least napaigot na nila ang bola.
Pero ang hindi ko nakita is yung aggressiveness to crash the board. Hindi tayo, nakita natin, sumut na yung kasama natin, dapat yung mga ibang teammates ni Celino naman, nakita sa natin at least yung effort nandun para mag-crash ng board. Dahil napaka-importante na makakuha tayo ng second chance points dito sa laro nito.
Saka tama ka, Coach Tunich, no? May tendency pa rin tayo mag-dribble too much. No?
Mhm.
Minsan, nagdi-dribble tayo papunta doon sa mga kampi natin. Pag Payo is open, he will take a 3-point shot. Ewan ko kung it was an advice shot because he had
An
Cirino
ill-advised,
Cruz
I believe.
as a rebounder, a possible offensive rebounder. No?
Well, that's been part of his repertoire of shots. Etong si Alma Payo. Pero he should be able to see first the floor before he even takes the shot.
Ito, magandang block ito sa loob ni Alwin Espiritu. But again, that is just one of the many things we have to do on defense. Na parang ang nangyayari dito, scoring at will. So sorry for the, na parang scoring at will si Levy. Si
Yeah.
Will Levy. Talagang tumitira lang siya ng as long as he wants. No? Ang problema, talagang almost non-existence ang ating interior defense coach sa Tunich.
And one thing that we really have to work on is we all know that we are a shorter team. We should be able to box out properly, especially Levy and Super.
Pero ang masarap na challenge dito, Coach Tunichi, is to be able for Coach Arik Del Rosario, who's, I think, yung record speaks for itself. No? Sa
Yeah.
UST, napakatagal niyang hinahawakan niya, has brought them to many championships, is a permanent fixture in the UAAP. Tuturuan niya lahat itong mga bata ito, pati si Coach Dong. And bakit ang experience to para sa mga players natin?
That is very true. Oh, Bertrand Franco taking it strong, and that's exactly the type of a shot that this big man of ours should take all the time.
Ito, produkto naman to ng PCU, no?
Yes.
Hindi NCAA. Pero mukhang, tapos na yata ito si Bertrand Franco. May isang taon pa ba natin
Yeah,
ganito?
he already has graduated, and he's playing for ICTSI now.
Saturday.
And I feel that he will be full-time dito sa ICTSI na.
Short on that shot si Bertrand Franco. And again, running is the team of US Bingo Bonanza.
Well, what
Alam
is-
kasi nila, walang transition defense
Oo,
tayo eh.
that is glaring at this point, yung transition defense natin. Well, at least they have another month to work on that.
Bago tayo magsiyaba, Ayan po
Oo.
ang next natin kasi after the PBL, no? Tatrabahuhin nila. Doon pa lang makikita natin sila. And even before, no? Sila magpunta doon sa Siyaba, which is part 1 of a grueling three international tournaments na naka-line up para sa atin.
And if there's one department of the game that we have to work on, it is that transition defense. That's one of it. And the second is yung defensive rotation natin. Yung tipong pag naiwan mo yung tao mo, dapat meron ka agad kumo-cover.
Yung mga Amerikano, tumatawag ng timeout na hawak nila yung bola. Hindi nila alam that you cannot call
Yes.
a timeout pagka tumatakbo yung bola, no? FIBA rules would say na pagka nasa loob na, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin timeout, no? Sa USNCAA kasi it's being allowed. Dito, ibang-iba po ang rules na yan. And sa 15-point lead for Bingo Bonanza, and we'll resume ito pong action dito po sa Solar Sports Network. Welcome back dito po sa Solar Sports Network. Ito po ang ating Philippine team o RP training pool against the visiting Bingo Bonanza team. Ito yung kanilang kick-out. Ito si Brandon Payton. Papunta kay Kilani Ferreira who's an NBA standout para sa San Juan Knights before, no? At kita mo yung transition. Very clearing doon. Parang wala ako nakita. Naka-asol doon, Coach Tunichi.
Oo, yung naka-asol. Ang nangyari doon, yung tao ni Kalani Ferreira just gave up playing defense on him nung nakitang ipinasa kay Brandon Payton. Ang ginawa naman ni Kalani Ferreira, he wisely, just slashed the middle.
Pag may point guard ka magaling, yun naman eh. You move to the basket, and somehow, that point guard will find you. No? Yan ang mga natutunan ko kay Hector Calma. Watching Hector Calma, huwag natin sabihin kung gaano katagal ko pinanonood si Hector. Ilang taon lang ko na pinanonood ko si Hector Calma. No? Pero isa sa mga naalala ko kay Hector Calma, if you had a great guard bringing down the ball, you just show yourself, pumunta ka sa basket, get to your position, and somehow, that good point guard or that great point guard will find you and will give you that ball.
And that exactly is the mark of a good point, or not only a good point guard, but an excellent point guard. He should be able to spot and have good vision on the floor at all times.
Jamal Vizcara, ang kanyang pasa, delikado, no? Yung mga
Oo,
cross-court
cross.
passes natin na yun.
That's one of the more dangerous passes, aside from the pass from the wing to the point. Yun ang pinaka-delikadong pasa. Yung cross-court is the second most dangerous pass in basketball.
Ano natawag natin, sa era na ito ng text, tumitelegrama pa rin tayo ng pasa eh. Maraming magagalit sa atin. Una-una magagalit dyan sa atin, yung paborito ko rin coach na si Coach Jolie pa.
Well, we're just not taking good care of the ball at this point. Masyadong marami tayong turnovers, and that is what causing all these fast break opportunities for Team USA.
Sa palang gusto natin pasalamatan no, sa PBL family natin, and congratulations. And advanced happy birthday sa ating chairman, si Chairman Josel Rusty, who was actually voted unanimously for a 4th straight term dito sa PBL. At Chairman, happy birthday sa December, sa March 6, Vizcara.
Happy
Mrs.
birthday
talaga.
po, Chairman, and congratulations again.
Ito, nag-playground basketball na to si Stevenson.
At dahil pinapayagan natin na umiral na yung kanilang talent, no? Dapat yan, hindi natin pinapayagan as much as possible. Kaya lang, ang nangyayari ngayon, gaya nga nasabi mo ko, non-existent yung ating transition defense. And in the process, Team USA is just taking advantage of that.
Yung kanina, sinabi natin, no, uulitin po namin, ito pong RP training pool na ito will be included as a team that will participate in the next conference of the PBL, the first conference of the 2003 season. Now, magsasabi sa inyo, panay PBL players, paano nyo gagawin ang schedule? Huwag ko kayong mag-alala because we have already made adjustments, configurations on how to best handle the situation. I've coordinated with Coach Dong Perhiri at yung mga people from the BAP, and naiintindihan nila kung paano yung configuration natin as Dennis Madrid, who will play for Jano sa PBL, nails a 3-point shot.
And that's just one of the few things that Dennis Madrid, or one of the many things, sorry, that Dennis Madrid brings into the team.
De Gracia, Gary De Gracia misses this one, and the foul on Will Levy. Ano sa pwedeng gawin dito, Coach Dorici, is to run the Americans down the floor. They're tiring at this point.
Yes, that's noticeable.
And we have this timeout. Magbabalik po tayo dito sa Lipa Cultural Center. Din po sa game na pinalalabas sa Solar Sports Network. 41-45. This is an entirely different Bingo Bonanza team that we are seeing on the floor. Last Sunday, they played doon po sa Pasig Sports Complex, Pasig Sports Center, and this is an entirely different team. No, siguro nung game na yun, may jet lag pa dito. Okay na sila sa weather, okay na sila playing against Filipinos.
Right.
At talagang sanay na ibang-iba ang aggressiveness that they're showing.
Ibang-iba talaga. But that was a good shot taken by Derek Ubalde that time.
7th point of the ball game para sa anak ng Suki natin.
Oo.
Isa pang idol ko yan. Si Mr. Banda.
That's the type of a player that we would need in this team right now.
This is Peyton. Quick move to Ferreira and a 3-second violation on Will Levy, the big guy for US Bingo Bonanza. Ito po Bingo Bonanza team na ito, bannered by Brandon Peyton, Will Levy. Yan yung dalawang, yung 1-2 punch nila. No? Tapos, idagdag mo pa dyan. Stevenson, ang galing din. Ayun, actually, ang favorite player ko rito sa...
Napaka-shifty ng guard na yan.
Madrid misses this one. And a hustle by Derek Hobalde. He loses space. And the ball babalik na naman po sa panig ng Bingo Bonanza.
Pero meron pinagbago yung RP team ngayon, Kom, no? Nakikita natin na mas aggressive sila ngayon. See, they're going for those rebounds and that's exactly what we needed kanina. Kung ganun na lang ang naging aggressiveness natin kanina, hindi nagbalon ng ganito ang lamang ng Team USA.
Simpleng play. Yes, Coach Turici, no? Yun ang sinasabi mo. Yun ang babalik ako kanina yun. Sabi ko, one of the things that we will have to check dito sa ating Goodwill Series na ito is a test of character. No? Ay, yung strength of character ng players natin. Kung napapaon ka na ganito, no? Tapos alam mo na limitado ang preparation mo, how do players react, no? How do players take charge? And how do players, no, conduct themselves pagka ganito na napapaon sila? Because that is very important if I will choose the 12 best players that will represent my country.
Kaya nga, at the start of this game, sabi mo nga, I think what's important here, more than the talent, I think it's the character of the player that you should get. Dapat hindi yan yung mag-give up basta-basta.
And look at Bertson Franco not giving up on the ball. At natawagan ng foul si Bertson Franco. Yes, he will have to be called for that foul dahil patak mo na yung Will Levy and that is not allowed, ano, yung simple because unang-una na disadvantage mo na yung offensive player because he could have sprinted down and could have, ito yung sinasabi ko, no, na-kick out na yung bola, no. Ang gagawin ni Bertson Franco is he will try to stop that player by hooking the player para hindi maka-sprint down.
Pero if there's one thing going for Berson Franco,
Talagang grabe yung hustle.
Oo, he has shown a lot of hustle. At saka hindi madali ang ginagawa niya. He's going against a guy who's about 4-5 inches taller than he. At saka mas malaki pa, heftier.
At saka ang mga Amerikano na testing ko na iba ang bone density. Ang titigas niya, Turici.
Oo.
And Hopalde nails another 3-point shot. And this Philippines Cebuana Luwilier team has awakened.
And slowly mounting a rally at this point. Maganda yung ginagawa ni Berson Franco. Kanina, pinofront niya si Will Levy for the guard to be forced to give a pass that would not be exactly
Ganda na pasa, Turici.
ang ganda.
Yan ang isa na ina-admire ko dito. I saw him play do sa San Juan Knights Gym, no, nung last Monday, kung di ako nagkakamali, sa ating second game of yung ating Goodwill Series. And I was impressed by the way ito si Dennis Madrid distributes the ball. Doon ko nga sinabi sa'yo, parang yung partner nating si Hector yun,
I remember that.
Ito, Dennis Madrid bringing down the ball, changing directions. Tingnan natin kung ano gagawin niya. He will make it again. Turici, yun ang mark of a point guard. If all else fails, I
Yes.
will take the shot and I will make it.
That is very true. That is very true indeed. Yan ang kagandahan dito sa Banto. Hindi naman ganong kalakihan. Payat nga siya eh. Pero yun lang nga, yung basketball sense napakaganda.
Ang galing naman ang tira nito. Just in the nick of time. Pero hihingi ng timeout ang RP team. Again, the Americans showing us a thing or two on the proper way to distribute the ball and shoot from the outside. Almost effortless, Turici. Beauty. 67-54 para sa Bingo Bonanza. Coming from you, dito po, para panoorin nyo kami, dito po sa Lipa Cultural Center, this is Dennis Madrid. Tinignan niya eh, naghahanap pa isa ng pasa, pero nung huling-huli, since he had an open lane, and he was a couple of steps away from the basket, he just took the shot. But look at the body control, and look at the excellent decision that he made. Though he had to take the shot, he made sure that he followed that shot, and he made sure that it was in the basket.
And what we have failed to say is the fact na yung confidence to take a shot like that.
Yan ang veteran point guard.
Oo. At saka kita mo, lagi nakatingin sa oras eh.
Ang ganda na naman ang play na yan. And Turici, we have seen some flashes of brilliance that will make you proud watching our young boys play. No, dito sa ating third quarter, we have awakened and we have made a ball game out of this one. Akala natin, matatabunan na eh. So magbabalik po kami dito, Richie, with the last 10 minutes pamula po dito sa Lipa Cultural Center. Ito yung last play natin, Turici, of the third quarter. And see, Dennis Madrid, ikaw na mag-breakdown nito. Ikaw mas
Oo,
magaling.
nakita natin ito. Ito, dinadala ni Dennis Madrid dito sa kanan. At pumap si Al Bagpayo. And Al Bagpayo wisely tried to penetrate nung humelp yung tao ni Hubalde. Saka naman niya drinap for a good reverse layup.
Wise decision, no, nung Philippine team. And an excellent timeout ni Coach Arik Del Rosario to set up the Philippine team for a final kick in that third quarter. So may momentum going for us as we start the fourth quarter. Last 10 minutes of the ball game.
And here are some numbers again. Ito ngayon, mas maganda ngayon ang shooting ng RP team. In the last quarter, they shot 50%. And nakita naman natin, nung halftime, they only shot 32%. Ngayon, 50%. Kaya naman nakahabol tayo ng konti.
Alam mo, ngayon natatakot ako, Tunichi, dahil itong lineup sa loob na ito, na mga bata, no, nakikita natin yung movement nila. Natatakot ako para kay Coach Dong Perheri. Pagdating ng PBL regular conference, imagine, he will have the luxury of having not just one point guard, but two excellent point guards in Cirino Cruz and Dennis Madrid.
And it seems like both these guys, if I should
Ang
choose,
Ako, dito,
are chewing already.
Kumbaga, yung point guard position na yan, well, right now, no, with the way these two guys are playing, lalo na si Dennis Madrid, lock na sa kanilang dalawa yan.
And one thing that I failed to mention is that dito sa assist department, nakita mo, 8 assists in one quarter against 5 only by the US team. So, ang nangyayari dito, Kom, mas patient na yung Philippine team. No? They're trying to move the ball around, trying to look for the best possible opportunity.
From the outside, and a foul. Will Levy, not a wise foul because you don't foul a 5'9" guy taking a three-point shot.
Yeah.
You are 6'9", and you have no business intimidating mo. As we take a look at Coach Bob Ante, yan yung guy who made this trip possible. Yan pa isang player. Suki pa yan, ng dating commissioner natin, si Coach Yeng Giao, no? Si Alan Jacobs na naman sasabihin ko,
Yeah.
Trinidad.
Trinidad.
Okay. Pero again, no relation to your commissioner. Pero baka kakilala natin.
Well, eto nakikita natin. Here is one guy who has played great in the last quarter and at the start of this quarter. Well, although his numbers don't say much about the way he has played, no? Pero yung naitulong niya sa team na ito, sa habol nilang ito, sa rally nilang ito, ay napakalaki po.
Sa tagal ko nanonood ng basketball, isa sa mga gusto ko are yung mga players whom I call the intangible players. Yung walang ipinapakita, no? Yung ginagawa nila, they don't reflect on the boards, pero yung leadership nila, yung hustle nila, no? Yun ang mga bagay that will make a player great. In my books, I don't need points, no? I don't need yung mga spectacular plays. What I need really, sabi ko nga sa'yo, is character.
Yeah. And if there's one thing, if there's a saying that would prove that point, may kasabihan sa basketball that the small things make you win games. And those are the intangibles.
Pagpayo picking up a foul, trying to deny the post position kay Will Levy. Here is Mike De Gracia. Ang ganda naman ng play nilang yun.
Alam mo ko, pinag-usapan natin kanina na may traces of brilliance itong national team. Nakikita mo ko na nandyan yung promise. But I think more than the traces of brilliance, what we should work on is the consistency. Na kahit sino man yung liman nandyan sa loob na yan, alam mo na yung quality ng game nila, hindi magdidip.
And I think the exposure that they will get, no, playing against our PBL teams, no, once the season starts. And this guy, really, bukas magkikita kami nito eh. Pinanonood nyo na Sabado ito. Inilibre ko na lang ng lunch ito. Akin na lunch na. For showing us how to play the point guard position. I have not seen someone play the point guard position in the PBL as well as he has, no, dito sa game na ito.
Alam mo, napakalaki po na ibinibigay ito si Dennis Madrid dito sa team natin ngayon.
Fourth personal para kay Al Magpayo, and here is Dennis Madrid at his best. He will bring down the ball. Bigyan mo siya ng tira, hindi ka na ipahihiya. He nails a three-point shot, and si Madrid, mga kaibigan, in this ball game has exploded for 11 points in the second half.
And that just might be the all-important shot dito sa game na to. It could be the turning point dito sa game na ito.
Kami, mga kaibigan natin, no, yung mga kasama natin dyan sa Day by Day Church, alam mo ko, palagay ko tuwa dito, seeing a guy, si Dennis Madrid. Marami rin kasi mahilig mag-basketball doon. And really, no, serving as an inspiration to many. Ito, foul, si Mark Isip. Produkto yan ng isang kaibigan natin si Anton Montinola sa Far Eastern University.
At saka ko, makagandahan dito kay Dennis Madrid, nakikita mo, he does not show emotion on the court.
Oo,
no? Nakikita mo, poker face siya, and he means business. As soon as he gets into the floor, he already means business. Ang ganda.
Sino gano'n? Yung kaibigan mo na naman. Di ba? Kaya nga, kumbaga kung nakita mo si Hector Calma during his prime, no? si Dennis Madrid, siguro pagka sinabi mo ngayon, sino pang the closest thing to a Hector Calma right now? In the era na masyadong maraming crossover, I think it will have to be this guy, si Dennis Madrid.
But then again, one thing going for Dennis Madrid is that he might be a better outside shooter than
Ayun.
Hector Calma.
Pero wag mo sabihin sa partner mo yun, kasi yung, yung shuffle ng partner mo, deadly pa rin yun, ha?
Oo. Hanggang ngayon, ito nga, nilalabas na naman eh.
Aba.
Binubuhay na naman yung karir niya eh.
Sabihin mo sa kanya, sagot sponsor ako Yellow. 67-64, back to this ball game. And this one, mga kaibigan, yung ating Philippine team showing us, no, kung bakit kailangan talagang we should do our share, no? I think right now, we can proudly say that the BAP has done its part. The entire EBL family has thrown in its support. Ngayon, kayo naman mga kababayan, let's rally behind these players of ours. This is a team that we can all be proud of. 67-54, and the lead is down to 3. Maiden has all of a sudden turned quiet, no, in this game. I think napagod na rin na Tunichi has
Hindi,
played
totoo yan.
magnificently
Oo.
in the first 2.5 quarters, but dito in the fourth, somehow nag-falter, no?
That's because he played a lot of minutes. I wouldn't be surprised if he only had a few minutes rest.
Ito, nilagyan nila ng fresh legs, no, against Dennis Madrid. As Hobalde nails an equalizer. Ang biggest lead dati kanina stood at 18.
And what a time for the Philippine team to shoot this well.
But Stevenson, sabi niya siguro, hey, short-lived ang inyong celebration. I will have to nail this three-point shot. A heartbreaker of a three-point shot. Excellent pass to Richie, and this guy really has impressed me a lot. Dennis Madrid papunta dito sa loob kay Mark Isip, and excellent pass, excellent vision by the
Well,
point guard.
pwede paghatian nila yung yung mga accolades na binibigay natin sa kanila dahil si Mark Isip naman took that ball strong. And that's exactly what the big men of the RP team has to do.
Excellent kick
Oh,
out.
napakaganda.
Ditong si Brandon Payton, problema lang, si De Gracia failed to capitalize. Ito ang direksyon na gusto mo, no?
Oo.
And look at the leadership that this guy is showing us, no? Everyone is involved. A three-point shot is missed by Derek Hobalde, and Brandon Payton is fouled by Jay Lapinit. A wise foul at that dahil meron ng transition ng attack, no? In an attack mode na agad yung US Bingo Bonanza team.
At saka si Bernson Franco did not have any intentions of trying to help out on the transition defense. Maganda yung foul na yon.
Here is Brandon Payton taking 2 free throw shots. He has so far scored a total of 15 points. But all of them in the first 2 quarters, Tunichi. Ito yung
nakita
pasa ni
natin,
Dennis Madrid.
Ang gandang ball fake nun.
Ganda, excellent. At gusto ko yung posisyon na kinuha ni Mark Isip. Yung sinasabi natin, magpakita ka sa bola.
Oo.
Kailangan ni Ferreira, strong for that offensive rebound. Work on that. Yan ang isang hindi natin matrabaho eh. We give up too many second chance opportunities.
Oo. Pero kahit na malalaki dapat pagtulong-tulungan natin.
Ferreira will take this one strong to the basket. Basket counts, but an offensive foul on Ferreira. And since FIBA rules ito, 2 points, pero foul on Kelena Ferreira. Akala niya meron pa siyang extra shot.
Oo.
Sa pro, pwede yun. Ito yung atake, oh. Kumbaga, parang no charge zone yun. Pero in this one, we will have to call the foul because in FIBA rules, there is no such thing as no charge zone.
Eto, Com, no, nakita natin yung insertion sa game nitong si Peter Jun Simon. And this might be a timely substitution.
Oh, they need someone who can help with the scoring, no? They move the ball around. And si Will Levy, really excellent hustle by these Americans. And talagang ang dami nating matututunan from them. This is just a tune-up game, an exhibition match. Pero nakita mo, these guys play with pride, no? Yan ang gusto natin, eh.
And they put their hearts into it. And that's very important.
And hopefully it rubs off, no? Not only to the players dito, pero yung mga nanonood sa atin, no? That this is the way to play the game. Outside shot, second miss, consecutive miss nitong si Derek Hobalde. And a 4-point lead being enjoyed by the visiting US Bingo Bonanza team against the Philippine team. Ito yung RP training pool.
Well, Derek Cubalde proving that he is a good shooter. Dahil kanina, nag-umpisa yan. He started sour. Ngayon, pero towards itong fourth quarter, nakaka-shoot na siya. And that's a mark also of a good shooter. Kahit na nagmimintis yan, yung kumpiyansa ni ng coach, ibinigay sa kanya, ni Coach Arik. Kaya naman, dahil alam niya that sa dami na ipupukol dito, meron at meron papasok na.
Iba naman ang bibigyan ng opportunity. This is Willie Wilson, of course, has helped yung paborito mong eskwela, yung Green Archers, to so many championships and Final Four appearances in the UAAP. Plays for nung huli, no? Naglaro siya sa Sankis.
Oo.
Pero yung Sankis hindi po maglalaro ngayon. And I think he was taken in by, kung di ako nagkakamali, Wellcoat,
Yes.
which will make Wellcoat another team to contend with, no? With his
yan.
entry.
Alam, kagandahan dito sa batang ito, hindi ho naghahanap ng tira to. He is one type of a player who will not hurt you. He will only help you. Eto, Mark Isip trying to make his presence felt. So far,
ano to,
this
Tunichi, no,
quarter.
sorry. Para siyang clone ni Al Magpayo.
Oo.
So you take out a Al Magpayo, you bring in Mark Isip, meron ka pa rin ganong klaseng player sa loob. Excellent kick out. Open is Sibon. Buntik na. And si Stevenson will foul si Willie Wilson. As time is down to 5:34, a 4-point lead for the US Bingo Bonanza team. They lost the first match against the Filipinos noong Sunday. Ang score noon was at 89-84.
And just when we thought that it would be a walk in the park for the US team dahil lamang sila ng 18 points kanina. Ngayon, we have a ball game in our hands.
Maganda sanang idea, no, the drop off. But Berson Franco was not expecting a pass from Willie Wilson, no? Strange, dahil magkakampi sa ICTSI ito,
Oo.
dati.
Yes.
And the Americans, one thing is, ang napansin nga natin kanina, they're starting to tire out, no?
Tire
Wala na
out.
yung ano, yung pambabigit na yung mga paa.
And they're trying to force things already, which should not be the case. Kanina maganda yung patience nila ngayon hindi.
Gusto ko yung ball movement na Tunichi, no?
Napakaganda ng ball movement na pinapakita ng Philippine team ngayon.
Okay lang to miss a shot like that, pero ang importante, ginagawa natin yung ball movement natin, no? We're trying to find the open opportunities, although we missed that shot. I think na-achieve natin yung gusto natin makuha doon.
Oo. Yung quality ng shots dapat na importante dito na pinapanood natin.
Ito, nang bubuli na uli. Si Will Levy, who obviously, yung spring ng legs niya, wala na doon.
Oo. Pero yung laki na lang niya ginagamit niya.
Ano na, talagang gagamitin niya na yung advantage niya sa height. No? He's 6'9", and the tallest guy we have on the floor is 6'4".
Malaking bagay, ano? Ito na naman si Mark Isip, libre. Oh, what a great kick out.
Ang gandang recognition of that pass. And this Mark Isip is impressing us, no? Of course, plays for Far Eastern University and would be playing for the Biba Mineral Water, yung ating newest addition to the PBL.
Oo. And to think na ito si Mark Isip is not really a center. Yung pinag-uusapan, he's not a true blue center.
Here is a possible equalizer sa kamay ni Silino Cruz. Open is Simon. He will drop off. Naku, sayang yung opportunity na yan.
It was a good idea.
Excellent sidestep. And nothing that Celino Cruz could have made in that last play. Yun ang sinasabi natin. The lack of familiarity, again, wala ho tayo kailangan ikagalit dito. These players are trying their best, no? Under the circumstances.
At
Ito lang
maganda
yata
na
ang
may
second game
pinapakita.
nilang official.
Oo.
Unselfish play. But ito si Simon has failed to nail his shots from the outside. Again,
But we should not
Hindi
be
ka kailangan
concerned.
magalit.
Kom, we should not be concerned dahil yung mga itinira ni Simon na tatlong misses, libre-libre yun.
yan ang sinasabi natin. Sometimes, no, hindi naman tayo result-oriented, eh. Gusto natin makita yung effort. Di ba? Sometimes, yun mas importante because those are the kind of things that you work on to be able to put up a strong team. This one is a good one. 78-74 for Bingo Bonanza against the RP Training Pool. (78-74), a 7-second shot clock para sa Bingo Bonanza team. And Peyton will do the inbounds quickly to a guy who owns a neat 3-point shot. Stevenson, back to Peyton. Peyton will miss this one.
Medyo pagod na nga ako, nakikita mo. Yung spring sa legs, medyo kinakapos na.
Derek Hubalde is in the ballgame. You know what his task would be. Excellent pass. And look at that. Turici, ang sarap, no? You take out a Dennis Madrid You bring in a Celino Cruz, again, same effect, no? Nandun pa rin yung presence ng mga point guards mo.
Well, the luxury of having a Dennis Madrid and a Celino Cruz are really working wonders for the national team.
Payton will take this one strong to the basket. Ayun ang problema natin. Yung problema natin right from the start. No, yung lack of protection against the board crushers of the Bingo Bonanza team.
Parang too many players collapsed on Brandon Payton and left Levy.
Ito, coach, paki-breakdown mga ito. Tingnan mo kung paano kagaling. Ang ganda, wet.
Oo. Medyo nagtutulog-tulog si Levy doon eh. Nakatingin doon sa malayo. Hindi niya inakala na papasahan etong si Al Magpayo. And Al Magpayo wisely takes the ball strong to the basket. As I said.
Para kami mga clone dito. No? May clone ka ni Dennis pasok mo si Dennis Madrid at saka si Al Magpayo or si Celino Cruz at saka itong si Mark Isip, and you will achieve the same effect.
Yes.
Hindi mo nararamdaman na tinatanggal mo yung mga key players mo.
Ang kagandahan dito, although we are not a very tall team sa nakikita natin ngayon sa Philippine team na naglalaro dito ngayon, ano? Ang kagandahan dito, si Al Magpayo and Mark Isip are mobile big men.
So something that we can capitalize on, ano, pagka dating po ng mga international competitions. Isa dyan, ang Siaba, May 5 to 10, dito po sa Pilipinas gaganapin yan. Meron din tayong kinakaharap na sa China, yung ABC Men's Championship. And of course, the big one will be the SEA Games. And Mark Isip playing out of the Far Eastern University. And alam ko, nakangiti yung isang barkada natin, si Anton Montinola. Makes him proud to have a Mark Isip in this RP training pool.
Boom, ang hindi natin napag-uusapan dyan, si Mark Isip naglaro na kanina yan.
Kaya nga,
Oo.
kanina nasabi natin yan, Al Magpayo and Mark Isip had to play against each other. Now, they're playing alongside each other para sa Philippine team. No?
And just goes to show the conditions and how fit these players really are.
Sabi nga sa akin nung nagmi-meeting kami, paano gagawin mo sa mga players, Commissioner? Kung paglalaroin mo pa sila ng 2 beses sa isang laro, huwag kayong mag-alala. Ang mga players natin sa PBL, tangki-tangki ang daladalang energy.
Totoo yan. Parang may mga dala-dala oxygen sa likod yung mga yun eh. Well,
Yan ang mga problema natin, ano? Yung talagang interior defense natin.
we should help on that type of a pass inside. Hindi pwede pababayaan lang natin yun ng dadalawa. Kung kailangan natin tatluhin natin para lang ma-kick out nila yung bola.
And a kickball ni Will Levy. Pagpihit ni Mark Isip, nautog dyan ang di sinasadya si Will Levy. And again, I think na-achieve natin yung gusto natin magawa. And I would like to thank itong si Pop Ante, si Alan Trinidado, si Tonton Monteverde. We will have to give him thanks, no? Yung mga tumutulong sa kanya na dinala itong team na ito dito and gave us, no, an excellent taste of how it is to play against big guys na talagang hindi naglaro as if this was just an exhibition game. As far as they were concerned, this is a true game, no? And ang nakataya dito, hindi naman yung mga pangalan nila, pero ang nakataya dito, USA Philippines, no?
Yes, that is very true, Cobb. At saka, no matter what happens in this game, hindi dapat natin ikahiya yung performance natin ngayon. Because our boys showed that they deserve to be part of the Philippine team. Kahit na 26 pa ho sila, iti-trim down in a month's time to 12.
Mark Isip will force this one. And that one, he knew that he had no chance against 269 players.
Yeah, and I think now, looking back in hindsight, he should have given a pass dun
Kick
sa
out
mga,
sana,
kick
oo.
out na lang. Nalunod siya ron eh.
And you see the time remaining. This is a one-ball game para sa Bingo Bonanza team. So, tabla ito. Baka pwede ng rematch. Pero uuwi na sila on March 4. Yan yung ating mga, March 5 rather. Itong ating visiting US team, no? And at this early, thank you so much. At we hope to see you again dito sa Philippines. Timeout, hiningi ng RP Training Pool. (86-80) ang ating score, and this is a one-ball game para sa Bingo Bonanza team. And you're taking a look at the entire lineup of the Philippines Cebuana Luwilier team. Again, I think lahat tayo, we've done our share, no? But this is just the beginning, no? Ito po ang first step in our, of course, ang atin pong pagnanais, no? Is to retain or have that the SEA Games crowd remain sa backyard natin. Miss shot itong si Peter Jun Simon, and a foul given up ni Al Magbayo against Alvin Stevenson. Magbayo fouls out of the ballgame at this early. Coach Tunichi, I think, bigyan na natin yung ating top performer.
Yes,
Ginagawa
that's
natin
true.
yan.
Oo.
And mahirap na pumili dito sa US team ito, but this guy really stood out. Itong ating tinitignan dito, si Stevenson, has really shown us, si Al Stevenson Jr., 21 points, 9 boards. Mas marami puto sa kanya si Will Levy, but I think yung hustle niya, no, yung timing ng kanyang mga shots kanina, Coach Tunichi, spelled the difference in this ball game.
That is true. Itong kagandahan dito, and as you said, he is one of your favorite players in this team.
Simpleng-simple siya, no? He will, again, tahimik. He will nail a jumper. He will get the rebound. He will defend. He will hustle. Derek Ubalde throws up a player. This one is out. And final seconds. And this Philippine team obviously has gained quite an experience playing against our visiting brothers from the US of A.
Well, definitely, this has been an experience for the Philippine team that would only help them in this campaign of theirs.
Ito, may tinawag na 5 seconds ball hug rule. No? Hindi kasi pwede sa atin na hawakan mo ang bola for quite a while. We'll hang on to the air. We have 2.2 seconds left. Si Coach Arik Del Rosario will plant the play. Bakit? Hindi naman nanalo, pero hindi naman ho panalo hinahabol natin eh. This is an important opportunity, no? A great opportunity para kay Coach Arik and the players na para ano to eh, kumbaga simulation ito, Coach Tunichi.
So yan. But this is better than calling practice and sisimulate mo ito. Ito talagang game, ano? Nasa game ka mismo.
And I think, Coach Tunichi, that will be what the Philippine team will be gaining once they plunge into action sa pagsisimula rin po ng ating PBL first conference, yung Philippine Basketball League, our 20 years and beyond. Ito pong special season na ito will kick off with a 3-day celebration dyan sa SM Mega Mall. Of course, ilalabas po natin dito sa Solar Sports Network at sa ating mga kapatid sa National Broadcasting Network ang announcement natin of a grand celebration set to kick off on March 18 dyan sa SM Mega Mall.
Yan po yung abangan mo.
Pumasok pa!
May pahabol pa eh, no?
Hindi yun ang play eh. Palagay ko hindi play yun.
Malay mo.
Pero doon po nagwawakas itong series na ito, and it's great to be working with you, Coach Tunichi, dito sa game na ito.
Thank you.
At napakalaking opportunity for us. And again, ito ay simula pa lamang. More to come para sa ating Philippine team. We expect to see more of you sa ating mga future games ng ating RP training pool. This is a team that we, Filipinos, can be proud of. Magandang araw po para dito sa aming mga kaibigan sa Philippine Basketball League at sa aming mga kaibigan dito po sa Solar Sports Network. Maraming salamat po.